Next on the agenda, we are moving into an email. So I'm going to show you a different way to do this because I want to show you how to create a custom sized item. I just changed my mind from resizing since I already showed you how to resize. I'm going to go back to home. And so if you know exactly what size you need to create, we're going to go up to create a design and you can go custom size. Here's where you can put in that custom sizing if you know exactly what it needs to be. Oftentimes, you know, like if you're doing an ad in a magazine, they're going to send you the exact sizing and you need to do that exact sizing. I think Olivia's on this and she works for a magazine, so she gets that. But really make sure that you do it to whatever exact size people are asking of you if they do request a certain size. So for email, I like to do 1200 pixels wide, so you can write that down, by 600 high. It's a nice, like, kind of horizontal one. You could do more of a square one too if you wanted to. Like you could use, you know, the square size for email as well, but I like having it a little wider for my personal preference. Okay, here we go. What we're going to do here is simply take this and copy paste some of the stuff. Okay, so I'm going to select it. I'm not sure what all I'm going to use yet, but I'm just going to select, I'll select all of this. You're going to copy. So you could do right click copy, or, you know, on Mac, I'm used to just doing Command C, but you also can, that's right clicking and just like letting you know, you could always right click and access all of these different things, your alignment. You can, they even have like space evenly. Sometimes that doesn't work. I don't know. It's kind of silly. Okay, so then you're going to click this. You know, you want to make sure that you're clicked on it. So if it's just like this, make sure you click, and then you're going to paste. Allow. I don't know why it did that. Okay, cool. So now we're going to just change it up a little bit. We're going to resize everything to be really big. I'm thinking, so normally what I have on my email stuff is my logo is like always at the top. And then I drop in a new image every time. So that's what I would do. If you have the email platform, just always have that at the top. So this should be just big, not much information. Like we're going to have all the information in the actual email itself. This is just like a nice big poppy header for your email. Boom. I'm gonna make that a little bigger. Okay, I like that. I just want to move the photo up a little bit. So there wasn't so much sky. It felt like there was just a lot of sky there. Okay. So there's a little email header. Pretty simple, yeah? Now I'm going to show you how you can duplicate and keep moving forward in a very fast way. You're going to click this, duplicate, boom. Now we're going to say social dance. Oops. You can just literally switch it to promote something different. Saturday, March 15th. I know you don't have one though. Okay. And this, I don't really like how that's bigger. Okay, there's an idea of that. And then you would just like switch out that photo for a different photo. We're gonna go back. Let's just do this so that you can remember how we're doing these things. Going to our folder, River City Dancers, and then we're gonna pop in a new photo. Size that photo up a little higher. And now we have another email header for another email. So see how easy that is just to keep utilizing those things. I'm going to go back to our social media post here. Same thing. Duplicate the page and you can just edit some things, new photo. So this isn't like, don't use this like constantly in every one. We want to have like a mix of, you know, some photos in between, some reels in between, but maybe this is kind of your main template that promotes your lessons or, you know, whatever service you have, or maybe it's an event coming up. I just like using the templates a lot for like events that are coming up, you know, maybe it's a certain product that you're promoting, or you have a big product line where it could be like a product feature template. Do you know what I mean? So just having those templates, I think, is going to just really make things smooth.